Okay, two things. So goji berries, because they're racy and red, and they look like something that Mother Nature made especially for Valentine's Day. And chili, my favourite aphrodisiac, because it'll get your blood beating like a bow rock. But more on that later. I'll tell you a little bit about goji berries. So these are known as red diamonds in China, a girl's best friend. And that's because they have stonking levels of iron, of zinc, and of protein, gram for gram, even more than beef. They're very light little berries. So these are all the nutrients that are associated with male virility and stamina, hence why they're a girl's best friend. What else can I tell you about them? Oh, you'd want to parachute them on top of stir fries, of curries and tagine, whatever you're having, or soak them before you eat them, because if you eat them straight like this, sometimes they can get stuck in your teeth and it looks like radioactive liga. It's not a good look for Valentine's Day. So that's with goji berries, I really like them. And then chili, well look, this is Mother Nature's sting. It's Mother Nature's feistiest vegetable, and it helps release feel-good hormones called endorphins. So if you're on a really boring date, lob in loads of chili and help anaesthetize the boredom. And if you're on a very exciting date, lob in loads of chili because it helps raise temperature and get your heart going giddy up, getting your blood system beating like a barrel, as I said, or like a voodoo drum. All good things for Valentine's Day. So this is what I'd recommend, slinking into chocolate mousse as an after-dinner stimulant, or sneaking it into cocktails.